Sorry, I ran out of time on the last one and I felt like I was rushing this. So in my last category, talking about the success of the student across all dimensions. So in component one, talking about academic success, I think three main components of this is to, one, create a community and parent partnerships. So by creating these relationships, students will benefit from networking, again, bringing in guest speakers, applying those 21st century workforce skills, and getting involved within the community. So bringing the community into the school, but also making sure that students are involved outside of the school within the community. This creates outside learning opportunities for students, and then bringing parents and community into the classroom for feedback. This is something that I currently implement in my own classroom. I bring in my culinary arts classes either parents or different community members like chefs at different restaurants to come in and critique students on their final and their culinary arts classes, which is really fun for students and fun for the community and parents to get involved as well. Bringing in various amounts of communication strategies. So again, being mindful and being inclusive of all stakeholders. Parents are then able to better support their children at home if they are actively involved with their academics via communication strategies. Staying on top of attendance and grades. So if parents are more aware of attendance policies and grades, the students will be more successful. So making sure that they are involved with that as well. Component two, talking about the student's personal well-being. By increasing parent and community involvement, students will be able to see that people truly care about their education and well-being. I fully believe in the saying, it takes a village. The student should not be the only one invested in their education. We need to work as a team. So that includes teachers, administration, parents, and the community, as well as obviously the student, to really invest in their education and make sure that they are as successful as possible. I think as far as expectations of the school, if parents are aware of this, they will be reinforced at home as well. So having clear communication strategies will help parents to be consistent with any discipline issues, attendance issues, etc. in the home environment as well as the school environment. And then I think overall, just student to teacher and teacher to parent relationships improve. If everyone's on the same page, then the student's well-being and the academic success will improve as well. And the last component, number three, creating communities of engagement. So it's important to create a positive image of the school by increasing positive communication strategies to parents and within the community. This in turn helps to increase involvement and the overall reputation of the school. Community members and parents can get involved in a variety of ways. So either, again, coming in as a volunteer, as a guest speaker, being a member on the committee of a PTA or PTO, and just being involved with various activities throughout the school year. And then what about the stakeholders who do not have children at the school? Why would they want to be involved with the school? So creating a sense of family between schools and the outside community. This all leads to a positive reputation and image for the school, and it gets those people involved who maybe wouldn't be involved in the first place. So thank you. Overall, I really enjoyed this class. I gained a lot of valuable experiences, and I look forward to other classes at Fort Hays State University. Thank you.